Baby! Baby!
Babe, what you playing for me?
Baby!
Baby!
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Can you feel this? I'm going to build. Can you feel this, Mama, into here? Pour this into here, and me, I'm going to build this and give the little round things.
You okay like this?
Okay.
Wait, Sarah. You guys, so today it's raining, just like yesterday. So we're staying in and being comfortable and about to play some games with my babies. Tyler, let she help you. Stop holding the things down with your hands. Is how many coins per person? 3?
Yes. And the brown one, there's one. I want the yellow.
Yeah. Which color you want?
Orange.
Okay. What color Mama want? What color Mama should take?
Mama has green.
Okay, Mama will have green. So this game is a really nice family activity. So it's just a board with different objects on it, and the aim is that we need to find what's on our little card that Tyler have in this box, and normally it's who find it the fastest win. It fell. Sorry, it fell. You see it? Normally it's who find the things the fastest win, but with the kids we're just finding things. We're not going to play who win or who don't win, because Sarah, well, we can play who win the fastest between me and Tyler, but for Sarah we're just playing. Come, give me.
You. The hat. Yes. This for Sarah.
Okay, Sarah can turn over hers. Look for them, Sarah. Look for shoes, black shoes, and green vegetables. Bella, you find your 3?
1, 2, 3. Start. Now we will see.
That's okay, Sarah. Be patient. Take your time.
I'm going to win, Mama.
That's okay, Kai.
Where is she? Oh no.
Help your sister find hers.
Sarah. Who? I want you to see the white shoes.
Sarah, you cannot go down on the board. Get off of the board.
Is who puts this? Is who? But your coins. Sarah.
Help Sarah find hers. When you see them, be sure.
With number 3.
Sarah, look for your vegetables. It's green. Look for green vegetables. Look, Sarah, look. What's that?
There.
It's very good.
Look for the black shoes.
Look for the black, Sarah. Black. Look. Look for the black shoes. Yeah,
This.
she's using her
Orange.
phone. It's me not using mine. Which one? You finish? She finish? She find the white shoes? She find this already?
No.
Sarah, look for the white shoes. Look. White shoes. Look for it.
Look. Huh? What?
Bravo,
Where's the
Sarah.
orange coin to put on it?
It's who have yellow coin? You?
Yes.
Baby. Babe.
Babe, what a playing for me?
Baby.
Baby!
Tu as encore en famille, hein?
Oui, je
On va
regarde la
jouer.
France.
Ben alors?
On va jouer, papa.
Ça se passe bien le match?
C'est 0-0.
On va jouer.
Papa, il joue bientôt, d'accord? Quand c'est la mi-temps.
Donne les enfants une bonbon.
Bonbon. Ah, bonbon.
Bonbon? Tu veux quoi comme bonbon?
Sarah! Oula!
Tu veux quoi comme bonbon?
Which one?
Moi j'ai vu une...
You want
Chocolat.
Un chocolat?
Oui,
Mais c'est où ça?
Un chocolat.
Il y en a des chocolats?
je sais pas.
Ouais.
T'as le-
Juste donne les enfants une...
Sucette?
non, dans le paquet, le petit ours ou quelque chose comme ça.
Ça?
Happy
Un
eating.
nouveau paquet ou un paquet déjà
Un
ouvert?
nouveau paquet.
Ok, ça, c'est
Mama,
bien.
where's the orange I just put?
Je sais pas quelle là.
Oh là là, oh là là, oh là.
Non, ça c'est acidique.
Tu veux pas?
Non.
I like
Oh,
acid.
papa, Sarah. Cherche une autre. Cherche une autre.
I love acid.
Sarah lost in all the coins. Look. Where the orange ones? Where the yellow ones?
Yellow ones is me that have them.
Okay, so keep them. See, two orange here. Where the green ones?
Ça c'est bon, il n'y a pas
Here,
écrit acide, c'est
here.
un petit peu.
Oui.
Here,
Merci.
one orange. Oh, candy.
Non, here.
Tu me donnes un?
C'est un petit peu acide.
Je sais pas, il n'y a pas écrit acide. Parce que là, il y a écrit acide. Et là, il n'y a pas écrit acide sur le paquet.
Non,
c'est
c'est
pour
moi.
ça. Je sais pas.
Non, non, c'est ça pour moi.
Un pour papa.
Moi, j'adore l'acide.
Merci.
One as a princess and one as a Spider-Man. Spidey! Spidey, come for the princess! Spidey!
Where is he?
Where is he?
We want something.
Him there. That's your web?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
Hey! Oh no, my leg!
Spidey, saving the princess.
Outside like
Spidey to the princess rescue. Spidey. Princess, what you doing to Spidey? Tell her, can you see
Batman! You're white!
me? He says I'm white. Sarah, where's Tai Tai?
It's hitting!
Tai Tai is there?
Yeah! I'm gonna catch you! Yeah! Oh no! I got to try again. Yeah!
No screaming.
Yeah. Get me.
Do smart. Hi. Be nice. You want to pee pee? Go tell Papa.
Papa.
You know, so you have to come for her. She's gonna cry. You guys, I'm here just playing around with the kids all day. It's a really chill day for us. No, right now I have Spider-Man and Princess just carrying on in this house. And I am gearing up for dinner, but I'm not cooking today. Should I say that? Yes, that's what I said. I have food in the fridge and I don't intend on wasting anything. So I am doing leftovers warm up today. All I did was some veggies to go with everything that's in the fridge. So in here I have fish. Fish. In here I have macaroni and cheese. In here I have a little bit of, no, this one is pasta. And in here I have a little bit of couscous and rice. And then over here I have a little bit of chicken. And then I still have fritters on the stove from this morning. And then here I just did some green beans. So your girl not cooking because we're not wasting anything. So these leftovers are gonna be dinner. Spidey!
Yes.
What mission are you going on right now?
I need to carry back the princess.
Okay, go and save the princess. Hey! How we got? Because I'm tired.
Hey guys, no, this is light up, but this is artificial. Is the
What's
end
artificial?
of the light. I mean, is bright. It's not the middle of the day. It's the end of the day. France won. England won.
So guess what?
So we are doomed.
Let's see if next weekend you'll say the same thing. France won and England won.
Well, one of the two gonna have to lose.
Oh my gosh, that's sad.
That's gonna
That
be
should
a
have been the
rough
final.
game.
Only the final we should see that kind of matchup.
No, quarterfinal all
My
games
God,
start to
France
be.
versus England. I cannot watch that match. My anxiety is just.
Quarterfinal, every game will start to be rough.
Yeah, but that's a hot match. That's
Well,
a saucy. People gonna be crying.
Netherlands, Argentina. You might have, like, for example, Argentina, Brazil in semi-final. You might have France, Spain in semi-final. It's a good game.
All the hot teams.
Not every game will be a tough
It's
game.
the only time that you see men openly show their emotion without care. It's the only time you see a bunch of grown men crying like babies uncontrollably at the World Cup.
That's the only time of the year where you see women interested in football. One time every 4 years.
And I'm still not watching. I'm only watching the celebration. And when there's a goal, you see me run come to the TV. France is my team, of course, but I cannot sit and watch the match. One, I'm going to cuss, and two, my anxiety is just too much. I can't. So if they lose, I'll be sad.
Well, anyway, days is not only games. Days is only have fun with the kid, taking care of your family. Just enjoy. It's getting cold here, so I can imagine almost everywhere. If you're living, except in Jamaica, he's getting cold.
I'm
so
envy
and it's
you if
only
you're
the
in
beginning
Jamaica.
of December.
Envy
Only
you. But that's cool because we just turned on our heater. Some
Yeah,
people turn on the
inside-
heater a long time.
inside is fine. They have people that don't even have heaters, so thing for them, give you good luck. And yeah, but we are only in December. I won't complain. We have a long summer, so yeah, now time for winter, time for the cold. Yeah, this is just I'm a man. This is just gonna be like this for what, 2-3 months. So just gonna have
By
to
March we
wrap
should be
together, wrap together.
By March we should be back on
Yeah,
the
February,
good
March.
stuff. Not February. All of
March.
February is freezing.
No, but March. Look, March
Yeah,
is
that's what I just said,
end of
March.
February, March. You have the Carnival, you have the Lemon Festival, and sometimes it's very hot at that
Yeah,
time.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah, we have to find somewhere to go in vacation when it's
Well,
hot. Yeah, we need
that'd
a
be
we need a
good.
trip to Spain.
That's good.
Yeah,
That would be good. We want to sponsor us, send us to Spain.
yeah. Just take the car and we just drive to Barcelona or to Sevilla, and we just stay there until winter. That's
That
what
would be
people when
good.
they retire they do. They have 2
Go to a
hours.
hot country.
They just go
Go
to
to Jamaica
3
for the
months.
entire winter and come back when
And they
it's
come back
winter
when they leave
done.
after. Yeah.
Anyway, guys, my kids are in bed. My intention is to wake up and work out tomorrow, and I have to be on the road almost all day tomorrow because I have a mission to go on to get some stuff on the street. So I'll have a long day. So I'm leaving you guys right now. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I said. Tomorrow?
So everybody, my fam.
Tomorrow.
Yes, honey, tomorrow. You sound like Sarah. That's exactly what Sarah does when I put her to bed at night. Mama,
Tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. And when you leave in the room tomorrow.
Mama. Okay, Mama.
Whenever I close her room door, she's still saying, okay, Mama. Tomorrow for school. Oh, and when I don't answer, she say what babe just say, okay, Mama. And she'd not stop saying it until I reply to her. And she get mad if I don't reply.
Will you say sketch in English too?
She's a character.
She's a character by herself.
Anyway,
She's a comedian.
we're out. And your child.